is up, you guys? I'm coming to you guys with another video. So this video in particular is going to be a tutorial using these pigments I finally got in. Hold on. But yeah, the two that I'm probably going to use are these two, because you know I'm just feeling those. That's just what I'm feeling today. So yeah, let's get up into the video. Enjoy. All right, so we're first going to start off with my brows. Of course, always brows. Once again, if you guys watch my other video, you would know that the brow pencil that I use, it just comes from the hair store. It's $1, and that's what I use for my brows. So let's get started with my brows. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with my Hr concealer because I can't really find my Makeup Forever concealer, but this concealer is just as good. So I'm just gonna outline my brows with my concealing. CJ knows. So I got my Universal Hydrating Spray, and this one is in Lucid Lavender, and I'm just going to use that to blend out my eyebrows. I went on ahead and tried the Dermablend primer because like I just heard really good things about it. Not to mention I do work for Dermablend, but I never personally tried the primer, so I put my primer on before because it is one of the primers that when you put it on, you have to wait for it to dry in order for it to do what it needs to do. So next we're going to go in with my eyeshadow base. So the eyeshadow base that I do use is the Smashbox 24-hour shadow primer. Yeah, these eyelashes, they getting in my way a little. They getting in my way just a little, but it's cool. I can work with it. Yellow, it's like neon. That's beautiful. I kind of want to do an ombre. Should I do an ombre? Y'all feeling ombre? Probably. I'm not really interested in cutting my crease, but I do want my colors to be a little bit intense. So we're kind of going to do an ombre. We're going to ombre the yellow to green and green to dark green. And that's kind of the look that I'm looking for today. So let's get into it. So you guys, I did forget to add a concealer base. I was trying to move so fast. So my eyeshadow was not as intense and it really didn't want to stick. But I tried to work with it as much as I could. Next on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this dark green and I'm going to put it in my outer corner. Okay, so next I'm just going to take a, should I do white? No, I'm going to do a mixture of white and this like neutral color. And we're going to put it in our top base to blend everything out. Then I'm just going to use this brush to blend it. CJ knows. I'm just gonna go ahead and go in and go ahead and throw my foundation on. Work with me. Also, a little goes along with this foundation also. Is it red? Let's see. I forgot like the quality of this foundation, so I'll do a voiceover letting y'all know the quality of this foundation. Alrighty guys, so this was actually a really bomb foundation. I really enjoyed it. It blended out to perfection and it was actually long lasting. I would 100% give this foundation 2 thumbs up. Alright, so next we are going to take my e.l.f. concealer. This is in Deep Olive, and we're just going to go ahead and conceal my under eye area. So now I'm just going to go in with my Dermablend loose setting powder. I just heard really good things about it. Like I said, this is my first time actually using Dermablend products, even though I do work for Dermablend. But like they just sent me everything, you know, to use. So let's peep the powder. Next, you guys, I'm just gonna go in with my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette, and I'm just gonna contour my face just a little. Y'all know how I am about contour. I really don't do too much contour, just enough just to say I'll contour my face. That's bothering me. I'm gonna add some more lashes. All right, guys. So next, I'm just gonna go in with my Laura Mercier highlighter, and we're just gonna highlight my face. Okay, and next I'm going to take my green, and I'm just gonna go, should I take my dark green or my light green? Yeah, I'm gonna take my light green because that one's really working for me. The yellow really doesn't want to act right, but I'm gonna take my green and I'm gonna take it and put it in my under eye. Alrighty, so next I'm just going to take at my Clinique High Impact Mascara. I'm not really big on mascaras, so yeah, this was just the first one I seen. So alrighty, and like I said, I was gonna add some more lashes. Yeah, give me a second. Okay, so I did add a second layer of lashes because just one layer is just not good enough for me. Okay, I guess that's intense enough for me. That's what I wanted. Okay, you guys, I don't know what I want to do to my lips, so I'm probably gonna do a nude ombre to them. Y'all, I'm gonna do another look like this, but I'm gonna do something a little bolder because this is something I always do. I should really do some bottom lashes. I'm going to go in with my dollar liner that I've been telling y'all about from the hair store. And then I'm going to use my NYX Soft Cream Matte, and this is in the color Berlin. Alright, guys, I'm going to set my face with my Lucid Lavender Hydrating Spray. What am I now? Ooh, that look good. Alright, you guys, so I'm just going to spray my face with my Universal Hydrating Spray in Lucid Lavender. I like this look. I don't know about y'all, but this is a whole look. I'm going to add some gloss because I need my lips glossy. Alright, you guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. Yes, you guys, please let me know if you're interested in any more looks, any more videos. If you have any suggestions for videos, let me know. I appreciate you guys just for being here, just for watching. Thank you so much. Subscribe, you feel me? Because there's so much more coming up soon. So yes, thank you guys for tuning in. I love you so